Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should open, you can go to upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So just by tap on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding down your finger on it you can access some of its settings, like you can change its name, change its password, security protocol, AP band. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can add devices to block list. You can set up one-time data limit. You can set up maximum amount of allowed connections. You can automatically turn off your hotspot. You can use it for USB tethering, for Bluetooth tethering. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.